Hey guys, if Roblox is not loading into games on your mobile or specifically your iPhone, then keep watching as in this video I'll show you how we can fix this. So what you need to do is head over to the settings app on your phone and then scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says apps and click on this. Then from your list of applications you just need to scroll all the way down and we need to find the Roblox application. Once you've found Roblox, simply select it like so, and you want to make sure that background app refresh is turned on and enabled. Then you're going to head back over to the main settings page and scroll all the way up to general and click on this. Click on iPhone storage, and then once again you'll need to scroll down to find the Roblox application. Once you found it, click on it like so and select offload app and then confirm by pressing offload app. Now don't worry, this won't delete any of your data, so you just need to click on reinstall app, and once the app's reinstalled you can then try launching up Roblox, and that should have now solved any loading issues. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.